up, fam? Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mary, and Capitan is in the backyard. He is obviously going to be in this video, but I just wanted to get this little intro over with before we actually jump into it. So I've seen a bunch of other dog YouTubers do this video where they leave a whole roasted chicken in front of their dog and see what they will do. I did do a video like a while back where I did a bunch of trendy dog trends where you test out your dog, and Capitan did pass when I left like a piece of cheese and lunch meat on the table, but I told him don't touch it and he didn't, and he passed. But he's not perfect. 3 times he has eaten food off the coffee table without me telling him. So yeah, this might be extremely tempting for him, and I really hope he doesn't touch this chicken because I'm planning to give that to my husband for dinner with his salad. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't really care, but yeah, I hope he doesn't eat the chicken because then I won't have any dinner plans. But yeah, one time I made some chorizo burritos for my husband and I left them on the table, and I thought he wasn't gonna touch them because he never typically did, but I guess he could not, you know, hold himself back. And then also, like when he was 4 months as a puppy, he did eat a corn dog off the table. And then his recent thing was like super early in the morning, my husband was going fishing, and I think those breakfast sandwiches, and yeah, he ate those. He can't resist eggs and cheese. It's like his 2 favorite things. So I really hope he passes. I'm gonna try like 2 different ways. I'm going to tell him don't touch it and see what he does, and I'm sure he won't touch it if I tell him not to, but if I like walk away and tell him not to touch it, he might eat it. He might eat it. So we will see how this video goes. I just thought it'd be a fun, cool video to see how much he can listen to me, because I'm not really sure. I'm like 75% sure that he won't touch it without me telling him, but I am going to leave it like pretty much at his eye level. So yeah, let's go try this video out. I hope he doesn't eat my husband's dinner either. Like always, if you guys are new to this channel, it'd mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. I do post at least once a week on Capitan, and then also try to do another video on the rest of my animals as well. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to us. So yeah, let's go see if he's going to eat this chicken or not. Hi, how you doing today? Are you having a good day, buddy? Where's your new toy? Where's your new toy at? Mama got you some new toys, huh? Are you a good boy? Give me Kiki. Okay, I'm gonna test you out. You better not eat this chicken. You better not eat this chicken, buddy. Toy is everything. Okay, let me go get this chicken. He's so cute. Why are you so cute? Tell me. Why? Why are you so cute? You're a good boy? Do you like hot dogs? Ooh, do you like hot doggies? What about eggs? Do you like eggs? Cheese? Eggs? Cheese? Love you. Okay. Okay? No. Don't touch it. Come here. Come. Come. Come here. Sit. Sit. Okay, wait. Don't eat it. Don't you eat it. Wait. Hey. You did so good. You get a slice. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Mama's proud of you. You didn't touch the chicken. That's a good boy. Mama's so proud of you. Mama's so proud of you.